Last day of the year 2020 here in Philippines. People are preparing for to the next year. It's quite calm currently. Earlier it was raining very heavily, but now it looks pretty beautiful, and I will show you a few things around here of the New Year event. Yeah, what a great moment. But one thing what you can see here is you have a lot of smoke in the air, as you also can see behind me, and it's coming simply from not from the heating system, no, it's coming from the grills. So the people are having barbecue outside. Many people are grilling fish, but there is also quite many lechon today, so that the full pig. And I hope some of the neighbors will invite us also to visit their house this evening. Hope so. Let's see. This setup is quite interesting part of the New Year Eve tradition here in Philippines. So you have to collect minimum 12, it can be more, better, minimum 12 round shaped fruits together to the one basket. Why round? Because it represents infinity and good luck for the next year. And for the next year, 12 months, 12 fruits. That's the reason for the number 12. Okay, what do we have here then? Grapefruits, that's clear. Watermelon, pineapple, most of the European countries known as ananas, normal apple, I would call this mandarin, pomelo, guava, and this one, mango, and the rest I'm not very sure. This one I think it's called winter melon, right? And the last ones I don't have any idea. So what is this? Chico. It looks for me like a small potato, but it's a fruit. This is interesting. It looks a little bit different. What is this?
Avocado.
Exactly. So this is avocado here in Philippines. In Europe, what we buy usually from South America, they look a little bit different. And the last one is this funny, I think this is some Java apple, or is there other name also for this?
Yeah, makopa.
So this kind of setup you can find almost from every house here today and tomorrow. And the other important thing for New Year's Eve is that you have to put some fruits, sweets, cakes, and other sweet things to the table. That is a good and sweet luck for the next year. One hour to go of 2020. Happy New Year! People are really happy here. This is fantastic. Look at these kids. And yes, our neighbor invited us to their place to eat the lechon and have a somehow midnight dinner. But the delivery is a little bit late. So let's have a look. Interesting what happened. Let's see. And by the way, the fireworks are banned here this year because of COVID, unfortunately. Otherwise there would be a big fireworks around here. Actually, the Lechon delivery is so much late that our neighbor took a tricycle and they are now fetching or tried to fetch the Lechon, and actually 3 or 2 Lechons from the supplier. And it's almost midnight and Lechon should be here. This is going to be interesting. It is 2021, the new year. It's very loud here. So the guys are putting motorbikes, the full engine on, they're shouting whatever, they're going so loud as you can. That is the start of the new year. Be loud, good for the next year. The idea to be very loud at the midnight is here, that is pushing out the bad spirit, and that's good spirit for the next year. Welcome 2021. Very nice. Lechon!
Kuan sa kutsilyo, kung sa kuan ba, i-check ba? Ina mo mag...
Motor parking dia sa tungod sa ato ba? Dia may kuan. Sing ato balong sa anas niyo.
Okay.
Nami uyab ya.
So that's it. Luckily, our neighbor really invited us to their place for the midnight dinner. It was a little bit late, but good. So, let's do the deal. 2020 is gone. 2021 is here. Happy New Year.